tell Xbox say me have it in a control. Never the shoes me wear no God soul. Round a wild side real gunman zone. It's just another day. One government never go another way. Steady pan a blacker with a matic.
We're in New Kingston for this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host Chrissy, and we have interviews, music videos, events and entertainment features just for you. Let's get the show on the road. We kick things off with highlights from the grand finals of PAN 2019, which took place recently at Grizzlies Plantation Cove in St. Anne.
Fun on the track.
Yes, so you get a miracle basket, your pan chicken bag, you get a CB bag, and 4 miracle ketchup. All good is God. Hello? All good is God.
Very good.
Amen. This is real.
has been an amazing, amazing season. I mean, we've gotten so much love from Portland, Black River, and now in St. Anne, our new home for next year. I am so excited. I'm just so happy and grateful that everyone has welcomed us into their parish.
Your first time out of Kingston for the finals. Why St. Anne for the finals?
I mean, I really just wanted to switch it up, and we like to, you know, bounce around and give everybody some love and share with them what Live Better means to us. And this year we've decided to give back to Survivor Primary, and it's right here in Brownstown, St. Anne. So that's exactly what we're doing. So why not do it right here in the home of St. Anne? Yes.
Was it challenging coming to this location?
This is an absolutely beautiful location. We had great weather. The grass could not have been greener. I mean, the venue is just set up perfectly for an execution like this, and it was seamless. I just want to say thank you to Main Event for doing such an awesome job with the execution.
I am feeling great. I am excited and thankful.
How did you do it?
I went back to the drawing board and I did it.
How does it feel this time around?
It feels great. I did something totally different and it worked. I'll be opening my restaurant on the 14th of November. Yeah.
And where is it going to be located?
36 Springfield Road, St. Thomas.
What have you taken away with, what have you walked away from this competition with?
A lesson and have faith. Trust and believe in God, have faith, and everything is possible.
Well, we know what the event is, and it's a family event, and it's my second time doing the event, so we know we have a half hour to work with, so we just try and mix it up. Some of the songs from early Assassin days, and some Sasko, and just reggae dancehall, and mix it up.
We just want to get the people music. We love people and the people love we. So it's all about just sharing the music. We get some new songs and we get some of the songs that we love. Good vibes.
What's it about your songs that people love so much? Is it because it's coming from the heart, from the soul?
Yeah, it comes from the heart and comes from the soul. And I represent people, I'm the people's people, you know what I mean? So I sing songs from space. I sing songs we can relate to.
Up next, we meet Mortimer and Christopher Martin drops a new video. We'll soon forward.
We are top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we are shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopers. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge. We are hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we are prime time. Anyway you see we go, we are headline. We back, we talk with the own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge. You know how good we Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. No, we cannot win a sack. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far. Wine with the style. Wine with the style. Magnum tonic wine for the real star them.